Come on, guys. Seriously, this is...
Just put the ball in. Just the ball.
Hey, Pokeball. Yeah.
No Pokeball, no.
Yeah.
They're annoying, man.
Turn the volume up, for real, for real.
No.
Sorry, I usually turn the volume down.
Good job, Dom. The back of your head's in it.
What? Well, they didn't see my face. And now you... Oh, don't turn into jurors on us.
Hey, your finger's in the way. Get it out of the way.
Oh, now all these people know that you don't care.
Fuck all y'all.
Come on, pick a character.
Hey, put your names on.
I'm putting my name on first, because I'm smart.
Pick a mother character.
Mommy.
You son of a...
You mother. Fuck.
Man, shut the...
Little,
I've had it with your... You stupid... you might...
Everybody, shut the... Oh.
Bradley, go for,
Falcon PUNCH!
Yes!
Oh.
Falcon PUNCH!
Twice?
Do this.
What the fuck?
Let's do this.
No. Hey, you're not playing?
don't call me that.
Oh my god, look at that. We got another Falcon Punch in here, too.
Can't touch it.
Can't touch it. Dun, 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 dun.
My Pepsi.
He's got that on there, you know.
You're raping me, kid. I mean,
Fuck you, Falcos.
Falcon
get out my asshole.
PUNCH!
Oh my god!
What the fuck?
Your mother. No.
I didn't do it.
Avatar, how the fuck did I lose a life?
You died? Maybe that's how.
Shut your pancake ass up. Shut your hairy pancake ass up.
Come on. Y'all suck.
Fucking dumbass Falcon punches you.
What about him on your ass?
Damn, you fucking Pikachu.
No! Hey, don't do that.
Fuck all y'all. Here I'll show you. Here I'll show you.
Fuck, man. Can't see my health and shit.
I'm opening my soda again. Oh no, all over again. It's my soda all over again.
Oh wait, perfect timing. Oh crap, next time Jers gets his special, Kamehameha.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You're saying that like we're doing this stuff on purpose. These are the sound effects for the game. What are you talking
Falcon
about?
punch. I hate you all! What was the thing I kept on saying, Bradley, the other day?
I'm not gonna say it, 'cause then you're gonna start saying it
No,
again.
come on, man. Come on.
How about no?
Come on, what was the thing I heard to say? Here!
Shit.
Fuck! Here, I'll show you! Ah!
Oh!
Here, I'll kill you.
You pussy.
You walked right into that one. Kinda literally.
Watch out, your Dom's a tryhard. Jersey!
Shut up.
Don't shoot like that.
Jersey swag.
Wait a minute, shut up. Everybody shut up.
Fuck you.
Just please.
Hell, man, fart.